Welcome back to our weekly update. I'm Charlotte McLeod with investingnews.com, and I'm here to give you a quick look at our top stories for the week. The gold price took a tumble this week, falling from a high point of about $20.57 per ounce at the beginning of the period to just under $20.25 at the time of this recording on January 18th. It nearly dropped below the 2,000 mark on January 17th. Gold's price decline came on the back of positive retail sales numbers out of the U.S. Data from the Department of Commerce shows that retail sales rose 0.6% month-on-month in December, which is more than analysts anticipated. Support reportedly came from purchases of motor vehicles and online buying. While the U.S. Federal Reserve is widely believed to have topped out on interest rate hikes, questions remain about how much it will lower rates in 2024 and when it will start bringing them down. Experts believe this week's retail sales release gives the central bank more flexibility, an idea that's been echoed by Fed Governor Christopher Waller. He said this week that the worst outcome would be for inflation to reverse after a cut. The Fed's second meeting of the year is in March, and CME Group's FedWatch tool still shows a 54.6% probability of a 25 basis point cut at that time. However, the likelihood was around 9% higher a week ago. We last spoke about First Quantum Minerals toward the end of 2023 when the firm was forced to shut down its Cobre Panamá copper mine. Now the company is back in the headlines with the release of its guidance for 2024 to 2026. On January 15th, it outlined a slew of measures aimed at shoring up its financial position, including lowering spending, pausing its dividend, and putting smaller mines up for sale. Aside from that, First Quantum said it's evaluating the possibility of investments by strategic investors in its larger mining assets. Rumors are swirling that VRIC Gold may be interested in acquiring First Quantum during this time of trouble. According to Bloomberg, VRIC boss Mark Bristow has spoken to some of the company's major investors to gauge their thoughts on such a deal. Whether that pans out remains to be seen, but Bristow does have a history of working successfully in tough jurisdictions. You may have noticed that our YouTube channel has been a little quiet for the last couple of weeks, and that's because we're getting ready for the Vancouver Resource Investment Conference, which runs from January 21st to 22nd. I'll be recording interviews at the show with popular industry experts like Rick Rule, E.B. Tucker, Lynette Zhang, and many more. If you have any topics or questions you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I'm also very excited to be hosting 4 fireside chats at VRIC. I'll be speaking on stage with Ross Beatty, Jeff Clark, Brent Johnson, and Christopher Aaron. I'm really looking forward to all those discussions, and if you'll be attending VRIC, I'd love to see you there. I'll leave the details for the fireside chats in the video description, and I'd also like to invite you to visit investingnews.com in booth M9 on the show floor. That's all for this week. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We'd also love to hear your thoughts, so leave us a comment below. We'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We'd also love to hear your thoughts, so leave us a comment below. We'll see you next time.